Okay, I'm here at the McDonald's. This is the Silent Night 5207. Pretty old. It was normal when I got here. I just replaced the batteries. There's the old batteries. There's the new batteries in place. I'll get those dated up in a minute. I'm going to disable the Nag Circuits, which are this one and this one. These are the two Nag Circuits. This one down here is going to the reverse polarity up here, which is the expensive telephone circuit. I'm going to disable these. I'm going to activate it, make sure that it goes into alarm. You can see it's system normal right now. You see the light flashing, kind of giving us a little indication that it's working or thinking. Let's go ahead and disable these Nags, and it will give us a trouble for that, which is perfectly normal when we disconnect wires. Alright, so we've disconnected the Nags. Now you see it's about to tell us it's got a couple troubles. A1, A2, that's the Nags. So we're going to go ahead and jumper a couple of zones. Bottom valve, let's see. Can't quite make out the zone list here. It looks like one is a water flow. Let's just do a 1, which is between terminals 2 and 3. This will be 1. There we go. We got an alarm now. Alarm 1. That's 1. That one there, that's one that's flashing, is saying that we've activated the water flow, so the panel's working. Let's go ahead and activate. See, some of these are duct detectors. Poles. Looks like number 10 is pole stations. 8. Down here, this would be 9. This right here would be 10. We're going to activate 10. There we go. Now we got 10. 1 and 10. So this panel's working. Remove my jumper. There's my jumper that I was using. I'm going to go ahead and silence. Reset alarm. Enter. So I've reset. It's got some stuff in memory. It's still in trouble because I have the Nags disabled. Okay, so I'm going to silence those. I'm going to go ahead and put those Nags back. Oops, got to be on the right screw. Panel's working. It's still got some memory, but that's okay. That's normal for this panel. It does that when it's had an alarm event. And then you simply come along. You can display memory if you want. Display memory, enter. It's saying that 1 and 10 were activated. So that's kind of the trick there. Now there's another button here called clear memory. Enter. Boom. It's clear. This panel is working. We're going to check signals with Naperville to make sure that part's working, but regardless, that can be solved with a simple radio. That should be this module here and this module here will go away. That module and that module, and we will be on a radio. The reverse polarity line is actually, it's not that one, it's right here. It's this beige wire here. So that beige wire in the back is a wire that essentially would be like if you could just string it on the ground between here and the receiving point, probably at the fire station or somewhere in Naperville where they receive the reverse polarity signals. But the telephone company patches it through, splices it at every one of their junction points and maintains that connection, and they charge big bucks for that. I think typically $200, $300, $400 a month nowadays, because they're trying to get rid of them. The phone company doesn't want them, so they have skyrocketed the prices to try and incentivize all customers to eliminate them. Anyway, that's it. Looks like it's working. Old, but working.